Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro from your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press on it or click Enter. Now, at the audio line, you need to find your earbuds, and right here I have it. Click on it, and right here we have Remove. Click on it also, but maybe you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with this device without totally remove it from your PC. If you need it, click Disconnect. But we will totally remove it, so remove. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.